behalf of the DMAT team and the North American Kaizen team, welcome to East Tennessee and the NAQCC conference here. Kaizen is one of DENSO's fundamental skills. It's a bedrock skill of problem solving that is part of the strength of our company.
We're HUDtel California, and we're from DENSO Manufacturing, Tennessee, Maryville. We wanted to reduce invalids because we were getting a large amount of them, and they were really affecting our line as a whole.
I think the quality circle is like the foundation of the company. That's one reason that the company has been able to be where it's at today is the quality circle that's continually working on improvement, finding ways to improve, and when you get that improved, find another way to improve that and make that better.
Hi, we are DENSO Hawks from DENSO Mexico, Silao plant. The most exciting is to work together with people from other countries and the culture also, and it's a very exciting project, you know.
So we worked on an access database so we can better improve our quality, and so we were able to actually catch out-of-spec data and then be able to move forward with that.
Quality Circle is a very good tool to help with HRD, human resource development. That I think is the heart of what Quality Circle is.
You have just proven by your quality circles you don't accept the status quo. You challenged what was in front of you, you identified a problem and abnormality, and you solved it. The real war is won when you take your time and energy and talent and you apply it each and every day you walk in that dental door. So when you go back to your plants, be that champion, be that light, be that energy that says, we can do this, we can solve this, and we'll be a great dental team as a result. Thank you very much.